is the Alcatel One Touch. First, I'm going to do a quick review of it. Unfortunately, it no longer works. Well, it works, but it can't be turned on because, as you see over here, the button is missing. It was accidentally cut off because the way they designed this phone was very cheap. These buttons, as I'll show you when I open it up in a few moments, they're not actual buttons. It's just basically like a little piece that hangs in and out. So if you open up the phone, close the phone, and you're not paying attention, which is what happened, the button could get chopped off. That happened here, and then the button was totally lost, so I wound up having to take a little thing to push in the button. After a while, that button got jammed in, and that was the power button, so it no longer turns on. But quick review, it was a decent phone, great phone for the price. It didn't hold too much. It also had trouble setting things where it was able to save to the micro SD card, because in most phones you can save most of the stuff to the micro SD. You save internal storage. In this case, it wanted to save it on the phone, so it made it difficult to have a lot of programs. The battery didn't last that long, so it would wear out fairly fast. But again, it was a decent phone. It's the Alcatel One Touch Pixel camera. I'm not too sure which model number, but at the time I got it, it was pretty new. But in my opinion, I wouldn't recommend it. It's cheaply made, the battery isn't that great, and it lasted about a year for me.